for my Aloha Aina project, I decided I would make a tea leaf lei and show you guys how to make it. These lei are considered to be lucky because in Hawaiian culture, the tea leaf or lauki are considered to bring good luck. And these lei are super easy to make and they're perfect to give for all occasions. So keep watching to find out the history of this lei and mo'olelo tied to it and just how to make it. So here I have a tea leaf plant in my backyard, and so we're gonna look for leaves that are about this size, medium to large. I'm just gonna use a cutter to cut them off. So we're gonna look for about 5 leaves. We have our leaves. Now let's go inside and we can steam them. Okay, so now that we have our leaves, we want to take this thick stem off. So we're going to find the point where it starts to thin out. I think it's right about here. And the traditional way is to kind of fold it and bite it with your tooth, but it's actually kind of hard to do that. You kind of need to use a technique, so I don't have that down, so I'm just going to be using a pair of scissors to just make a small little cut on the spine. And it's really easy. Just take your hand under it and slide it down, and you will see it's very easily coming off. Okay, so now we have this nice piece and we want 2 separate pieces. So you can just kind of separate it with your hands here. And once it gets kind of further up where you made that cut, you can go in with your scissors and cut it right down the middle. Okay, now that we have these 2 pieces, we want to trim this and this little fibrous area down the middle. So just cut it nicely so that it kind of resembles how this tapers off. So I'm just going to trim this long part off and go around here. Okay, so now you're going to repeat this with all of your leaves so that you get these nice 2 pieces. Okay, so I have my leaves. I had 5 whole leaves, so I just did 5 in each stack. Sorry, that's my dog, but I'm just gonna roll it up like this. And then I'm gonna take a paper towel or 2, and I'm just gonna wet these. I'm just gonna take one like this, wrap it, another one, wrap it, and we're gonna put this in the microwave for about 1 minute. I just took my first batch out of the microwave. Be careful not to put it in for too long. If you have a smaller bundle or if you have more, just estimate the time, because if you put it in for too long, it's gonna burn and you're not gonna be able to work with it. So we have those in there, but what we're gonna do is just unwrap it, and you're gonna have these really nice soft leaves that are easy to work with. Okay, so once you have your steamed leaves, you're gonna take 2 pieces that are about the same length, and you are going to tie them together. And you can choose either side to tie them together. I choose the ones that I kind of want to show, so I kind of want that little bit of yellow to show through, so I'm going to tie it at the top. And you can kind of fold your leaves a little bit, because that's what we're kind of going to do later on. So you just tie it normally, and then we're going to make it nicer after. Once you have a good tie, you're going to, you can put it on your toe, or you can put it on something, but I prefer to use my toe because it's just easier for me. So you're gonna put it around your toe and fold it, and you're just gonna start twisting in the same direction. So I twist to the right, and I just get it pretty tight. Okay, so you're gonna just start twisting to the right and folding it over. So I go to the right and then right over left. You're gonna get this really nice twist that will hold. And you want this shiny part, the top part of the leaf. So once you start to get the rhythm of the twist and then over, it becomes really easy. You can do it pretty quick. You get to about this point, you're going to take another leaf and tie it in. So you're going to take your leaf and fold it over so it kind of wraps in there. And you're gonna leave this out because it's gonna stick out of the lei and it's gonna make it look really pretty. So you're gonna do the same to the other side, and then you're just gonna twist like so, and then these leaves will stay like that. And you're gonna have this really nice leaves that are showing through. So just repeat until with, I think, a couple more leaves. Okay, so now once you've gotten to the right length that you want for your lei, I kind of just eyeball it by looking at it like this, and then I'm just gonna do a couple more to get this to the end. Okay, now since this is longer, I'm going to just trim it off. And I'm going to just tie it off. Like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take it off of my toe. I'm going to, you let it unravel. And it's gonna be all twisty. So you kind of just give it a little thing, and now it's gonna be all good. And what I do at the end here is I just tie it around. I just make a small knot up here so that we have this hole. What we're gonna do is we just stick it through like that. It's super easy. And let this unravel. There, you have a beautiful tea leaf lei. I'm so down.